Hey everybody, Larry here. Mitchell's RC's back at you again with the Red Cat Earthquake 3.5. Just gonna have a little fun with it today. You know, let's bash it around and see what she'll do. Well, I love the looks of this truck, guys. 2-speed, nitro, beauty. Look at that thing. I adjusted the suspension a little bit this time, so hopefully she rides over the bumps better and stuff. We'll see. So I'm going to get it fired up, and then I'll restart you guys here in a minute. See you in a second. Alright guys, we got her fired up. I'm going to let her warm up a little bit here, and then we're going to rip around here, and we'll take her down to them piles at the end here. And we'll see how she handles. Oh, a little too warm. Let's try this again. Alright guys, got it going again. A little cold out here. It'll take a minute for it to warm up. Top end stutter there, guys. I think that's that air bubble problem I'm having. And I think that air bubble issue has to do with the hose that connects right to the tank. Ooh. Get the back a little stiff, maybe. Could adjust the steering trim just a tiny bit. There we go. Whoa, up and over the rocks. So guys, I know we're far away. I'm getting there. Oh. Oh shoot! We're over. Oh shoot! There we go. She stayed running, guys. Yeah, look at that go. Go Nitro, go. Still cutting out a little. I'm going to have to do a little adjustment on it again. Oh, nice, Nitro, nice. She's cutting out when I give her a bunch of fuel here. Look at that. Nothing stops this Nitro, boys. You go, Red Cat. Oh! Are we out of fuel? Let's check this out. Perfect lean out, guys. I heard it speeding up, and then she shut right down. We're out of fuel. But don't worry, I brought the can with me. I'm going to put a little more gas in it here, and let's try it again. Hold on. Alright guys, she's all fueled back up. Let's give her a little more bashing. Oh, really? The minute I stand up. Sorry guys, 1 second here. I'll put the igniter back on her here and we'll give her a little pull. I'm going to leave you guys on just for a second. Going again. There we go. Let her cool back down a little bit. Warm back up a little bit, I mean. Pretty cold out here. Oh! No, not in the lake. Oh, that was close. Ain't no stopping a Red Cat, boys. Oh, I carried a wheelie out of it. Oh. Here we go, guys. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Oh, I flipped it over. Hopefully you guys are seeing some of this craziness. Oh, she flipped again. Those rocks threw her for a loop. Oh, guys, so far I'm well impressed with this vehicle. Oh, I landed it. I goosed it and flipped it right on her back. This Red Cat's got so much power, boys. Look at that. Pull right into a wheelie. Oh, oh, it's got a brake on it. Oh, that was a nose digger. She wants to do a flip, boys. No, I'm not going to try it. Oh, I nosed her a little hard there again. Oh, she jumped so nice, guys. Oh, I tried to flip. I didn't get it. I tried it. I know I said I wasn't gonna, but I tried it. Oh, we got a little dirt on the nose. Check her out here real quick. Beauty. Yep, she needs to be tuned a little more, guys. She's coming along. I love it. Oh, them rocks just make it. Oh, I got a rock on her, boys. Oh, look at that. We caught a rock. Holy cow. Oh no! I hit the brake and I flipped it on my own, guys. Oh my goodness. This thing is just crazy. But there you have it, guys. There's the Red Cat Earthquake 3.5. Just a little quick bash session. Hope you all enjoyed it. And we'll see you later.